You want to know what you should bring to the table, what men want you to contribute in a relationship, in a marriage, to what extent you should bring what to the table. Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. I'm dressed by Faith Peters. You can follow her on Instagram, Facebook. She will sort you out. Do not forget to visit noraarake.com. And without further ado, let's get into this very important video. So in this video, I'm explaining to you exactly what men want you to bring to the table, what will keep your marriage going. There is a big confusion at what men want women to bring to the table. Women feel less valued if they don't bring something to the table, if they don't contribute to the marriage. So women want to know, women are asking what it is that men want women to contribute in the house, to bring to the table. Most women have taken to getting master's degrees, getting PhDs, doing better at business, constructing buildings, doing all that. Listen, that is not what men want you to bring to the table, ladies. What actually men want, men need for any woman to bring to the table is none other than submission, respect. That is what men want you to bring to the table. It doesn't matter whether you are educated, whether you are a doctor, whether you are a professor, whether you have a zillion billion arcades and buildings in cities and towns, whether you are very wealthy, whether you are a very productive woman financially. That is what men want you to bring to the table. If you don't bring that, he will not value whatever you bring. If you bring money, you contribute this, you buy this, he will see it like another man helping him to run a home. He will not see you as a wife. He will not value you as a wife. He will not respect you as a wife. So whatever you are doing, respect your man. Whatever you are doing, submit to your man. However much you earn, respect him. If you won't bring that to the table, it doesn't matter how much money you earn, how much money you have. Men want you to submit to them. Men want you to respect them. The moment you surpass that, men will start looking at you like a fellow man. They might not tell you, but that's what they are seeing. Deep in their subconscious mind, you're like two men, two kings running a kingdom. Men need you to submit, to be the queen you are, to remain the queen you are, to look and be and remain their queen. That is the main reason why he will start looking elsewhere. He will start to feel like he has failed in marriage. He will start to feel like he has another man as a wife. He will never value you as a wife. If you don't bring submission and respect to that table, however much rich, however much wealthy, however much money you have. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to know how to submit, how to respect your man, send me an email to book your counseling session, or go to noraarake.com/booking and book in your counseling appointment. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.